In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord screen share no audio. If you've ever started sharing your screen in Discord and everything looks fine, but your friends can't hear the sound from your game, video, or app, this quick fix is for you. The most common reason is that the stream is running without the system audio turned on. Discord gives you control over whether your viewers hear just your voice or both your voice and the sound coming from the window you're sharing. The solution is built right into the streaming controls, and it takes only a moment. While you're actively sharing your screen and you notice there's no audio going through, look toward the bottom left area of your Discord window. You'll see the stream controls there. This is the same place where you started your stream. Click the stream button to open its options panel. Think of this as your quick hub for what your viewers see and hear, and it's where Discord lets you fine-tune your stream without stopping it. Inside that panel, find the option labeled Share Stream Audio. Check that box to enable it. This tells Discord to include the audio from the window or screen you're sharing, in addition to your microphone. Once you turn it on, Discord will route the sound from your selected source into the stream, so your friends can hear the music, game effects, or video soundtrack in real time. Give it a second to apply, then continue playing your content as normal. Your viewers should immediately notice the difference. A couple of quick notes to set expectations. Some applications limit or block audio capture, especially those with protected content. So even with Share Stream Audio enabled, certain videos may remain silent to your audience. Also, the label or exact placement of the option can vary slightly depending on your Discord layout or updates, but it will appear within the same stream controls you just opened. If your viewers still can't hear anything right after you enable it, wait a brief moment for the stream to refresh on their end. And that's it. No complicated settings or long troubleshooting needed. The key is simply turning on Share Stream Audio from the stream options in the bottom left controls while you're already sharing. With that box checked, your Discord screen share will include the sound your viewers were missing, making watch parties, game streams, and presentations much smoother. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your now fully audible stream.